All right, so I had harvested my second and third year marshmallow roots. Not native to America, but very, very naturalized here. I only cut 2 of the plants. Right now I'm cutting roots off of the plant because I'm gonna go ahead and dehydrate this. I wanna be able to use it in things like teas and stuff. It has a lot of mucilage. It's mucilaginous. I believe that's a word. All the biggest pieces off of it, I'm just cutting each kind of root at its base to get a bunch of roots. And then I'm gonna go ahead and soak them in some water. I've got the roots in here. Just gonna wash them, let them soak for a little bit. I'll probably come back, change the water out. I just wanna get all the dirt off of them before I get them dehydrated in the corsori. And so I'm basically going to, oh yeah, there you get a little bit of the smell. It's almost, it has this it's not horseradish, but I just feel, maybe it's just because it's like a root. I don't know. I get horseradish vibes from it. So I'm gonna let that kind of soak while I go compost the rest of this marshmallow root. All right, so I've got a little scrubber doodle. Just gonna kind of scrub these down where they're like pretty dirty. I wanna be able to make some marshmallows, but I don't know how. I'm really excited about that. So then I'm gonna go ahead and cut this. Wow, it's hardcore, like a root. Chop all this up and get it ready for the dehydrator. Wow, it's crazy how mucusy it gets. It gets so mucusy on the ends. That's insane. Those are its properties. It has a lot of mucilage. We talked about it with dense mullein, how much mucilage it has. Oh my goodness, now I understand. It gets like this syrupy, sticky consistency. It's pretty incredible. I also want to try one. I can't help myself. It just has like an earthy taste. Not bad. I mean, it's not good, but. Now, my understanding of why I'm dehydrating this is because it will rot. So I want to dry it out so I can use it all the time. Now, I'm not sure if it's harder for me to make marshmallows. I think there's teas where marshmallow roots in the tea. So I know by drying it, I can see how well my body takes to it as like a decongestant. I know mucilage has some decongestant properties. There are some favorable studies on the effects of mucilage for certain symptoms and certain things. And marshmallow root certainly has a lot of it. So there I have some marshmallow roots cut up. Spread the roots onto here. Make sure they're just separated. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to put these at 150 for 5 hours. Once they're dry, I'm gonna put them in a container and I'm gonna have them for tea. And potentially, I'm going to try to make marshmallow. If I can't make marshmallows out of dehydrated dry, which I just have no idea about, then I will have to pull up more roots next year so that I can finally do marshmallows. But marshmallow root, really cool herbal plant, medicinal plant, has some medicinal properties. Yeah, I've been excited about it for 2 or 3 years. Like and subscribe to my channel if you like videos like this, harvesting and learning how to grow food in Wisconsin or in other cold zones by you. Gonna be happy to make some tea out of this, but I'm gonna go ahead and get these going and get these dried.